guys, hello and a very warm welcome back to my channel. Right, okay guys, I'm going to do a little bit of a video today on how I curl my hair. Now, this is old curled hair from yesterday, but because I curl my hair more or less every day now, it has got a little bit of a curl left in it, but this ain't gonna change the video. I still do exactly the same thing. This is how I would style my hair if this was straight anyway, and so yeah, it'll be no different you seeing it as if my hair was straight. Now, I'm doing this video just because there's a few people who always ask me, oh my god, like, how do you curl your hair, things like that, and it's the most simple and most easiest thing I do. I don't section my hair off or anything like that, so this is just basically how I style my hair. So this is a shout out for Sarah. So Sarah, I hope you're watching, because this is for you. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you the tong that I actually use, well, curler that I actually use. This is the Primark curling wand. Guys, this is an amazing bargain at £8. I absolutely love this wand. If it broke tomorrow, I would have to go buy a new one. For £8 it is absolutely amazing. It looks really pleasing to the eye, but not just that, this keeps my curls in all day. As you can see, this is like from yesterday's curls, and I didn't put any hairspray or anything on my hair, so this is amazing. I would recommend it to anybody. For £8 you cannot go wrong. I used to use a much higher branded one, but since I bought this, well, my sister actually borrowed it and then I couldn't get it back for some reason. I can't remember what it was, but I seen this for £8. I went and bought it and it's amazing. So I'm literally going to show you how to use it. So I don't do anything to section my hair off. I brush my hair. I literally just brush my hair through to make sure I haven't got any knots in my hair before I use the wand. And then I literally just take sections at a time. So I'll take like this section of my hair, and I always go like outwards. I make sure the hair goes outwards, so like I'll always go outwards. I'm not looking into the camera, guys, because I have actually got a mirror that I'm looking into, like over by here. I like to turn my wand on for about 5 minutes before I use it, just so it heats up to full capacity of 180 degrees, and then I find that it doesn't take as long to curl the hair. So literally I just hold it for a couple of seconds and let it go. And then as you can see, guys, you got a beautiful wave. The way that I'm doing it now, it is actually causing waves in my hair. Obviously, if you wanted curls, like little more ringlet curls, you would take smaller sections of your hair, and then it would create a more defined curl. But I just like the wavy, glamorous look, so that is what I do with mine. And then I just go on and I do every section of my hair. Like, there's no actual rule book to it. I don't pin any of my hair up or anything, and this is just the quickest way I find. So yeah, you can put hairspray on at the end, guys, when you've actually finished, or you can leave it. Like I said, these will stay in for me, but you know, if your hair is really fine or anything like that and your curls generally drop out, I would just tend to put a bit of hairspray on after. I do use a heat protectant spray, guys, normally just before I curl my hair, obviously, because you are using heat on your hair and it can be damaging, but that is entirely up to you. Try not to strangle yourself with the lead, guys. At the end, and when I've actually curled all my hair, I will run my fingers through my hair to separate the curls. I just think it gives it a bit more of a natural look. And that is about it. So I'm going to fast forward this video now, just so it speeds it up a little bit for you, because you don't need to see what I'm doing, because I've talked through the steps. I'll hold the curls, guys, for literally about 10 seconds each time, and you can see the finishing result at the end. see, guys, I'm just literally running my fingers through my hair now. To separate the curls. I think it makes it look that little bit more natural. I do put a bit of serum on the ends of my hair just to try and keep them a little bit nicer and not so drying, because obviously this can be quite drying. And that is my how I use my Primark curling wand, guys, video. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more from me, let me know. If you've got any video requests, let me know and I'll be back with some more. This, as you can see, guys, this literally took me like 5 minutes, and this is what I do every day, and I just think it sets me up for the day, makes me look that little bit nicer, like I've put a lot of effort into my hair when I really haven't at all. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.